Glad to have you back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove bloatware from your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Now, OnePlus used to be known as a stock Android phone, but these days you may or may not find an app that you may not necessarily want to use. So if you want to remove the unnecessary apps or apps that you don't want to use from this phone, simply go to the app drawer and tap the three dots in the top right corner and then tap on select. Then now you can go on selecting all the apps that you may want to remove from this phone. So for me, I'll select that particular app because I don't want to use that. You can go through selecting all the apps that you want to remove, just like that. You can scroll through finding the apps that you want to remove, all of them. Any app that you may or may not want to use, you have the freedom to remove, and once you find them, simply tap on the uninstall option. Then it's going to ask you to confirm if you want to uninstall them. Simply select uninstall. That particular bloatware is going to be removed, and you can always continue doing this for all the apps that you want to remove from your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, take care and God bless.